Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today I want to take a little bit of time and show you our brand new 2014 Heritage Glen, and this is a model 366. This is a bunkhouse fifth wheel that gives you opposing slides in the living room. We'll see what that does for you in just a minute. It's got a very aerodynamic front cap. It's got the extended hitch pin. It's got 4 slides. This is your bedroom slide. It's a beautiful beige that hides dirt and road grime. Tons of outside storage. 50 amp service. Got your outside shower right here as well. And here's your main living room slide. It's got aluminum rims, as I said. There's a slide. This is a slide for the bedroom. It's got 50 amp service, and it's a detachable cord that plugs in right there. We're going to come around the back. Got your spare tire on the back. There's actually a grill that folds around the back. Nice ladder. Downspouts on the corners. Nice black trim. It's got an enclosed heated underbelly. It's got an outside kitchen that gives you the fridge, plenty of storage. That grill comes around, swings around the corner, so it's right here. Then you got hot and cold water. We got a bathroom door, so you don't have to track through the camper to get to the bathroom. Then this is that living room slide that I was talking about. Nice big awning goes over the top of everything. I'll just kind of keep walking. You can put your TV out here on this mount, or you can leave it inside. Here's the other side of all that storage. Outside speakers. And it's a model 366 BH. And this camper weighs in at 10,730 pounds. Okay, now as I walk in the door, first thing I want to point out, right by the door, plenty of storage. Nice deep storage. Plenty of drawers. Got your DV CD player, your Jensen TV, and then lots more storage up above. Okay, since I got the camera up there, I just wanted to point out we got the ceiling fan with light. Decorative lighting over the bar. Then you've got your booth. And then you've got your couch that goes into a bed with storage underneath it. Plenty of storage up above that. And then you've got your nice big kitchen, your big fridge, your freezer, solid surface countertop, stainless steel appliances, high-rise faucet, sink covers, nice solid surface, just a real nice touch. Okay, I want to stop by. We ordered this with the limited edition package, so I just want to kind of run through what that means. Because we ordered it with the limited edition package, it gives free to the customer power stabilizer jacks, free touchscreen remote. You got the solid surface sink covers and undermount sink, high-rise faucet, central vacuum, and the central switch center. So that's $2,265 in savings to the customer, and that gives you all these nice options: the solid surface countertops, high-rise faucet, stainless steel appliances, and then power jacks, and don't forget that central vacuum. Here's your air conditioner right there. Here's the door to the half bath, kind of the kids' bathroom. Nice medicine cabinet. Okay, now we'll head back to the kids' room if they're watching. Got a ladder to get up into that top bunk. Nice big bunk. Adults could sleep up there. Plenty of storage. Nice big windows in here. And then you've got the sofa right here with storage underneath it. And then there's another bunk right up above it as well. So just a great room for the kids and for the family to watch movies. Okay, now we'll go up and we'll hit the master bath. Okay. Got the master bathroom. Tons of knee room in front of that stool. Lots of storage. Nice big adult size shower. Plenty of space in here to change. And then you've got your medicine cabinet right there. Okay, now we're going to make our way up to the master bedroom. Nice big bed. Plenty of storage. Storage there. Nice big slide. And then you've got your all your storage up front. All the way across. Just wanted to point out that you got washer dryer prep up front in this. Real nice feature to have. Storage underneath the bed. And there's all your central vacuum attachments. And then I'll just grab this right here. I just want to point out Nice dresser up front as well. Okay, well, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in our brand new 2014 Heritage Glen 366BH, just call or text me at 218-391-ANDY. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.